How to add or remove increase contrast widget in the control center on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up the control center. Next, we go to the top and tap on the add button. And in the control center, you want to go down and tap on add a control. Now in here, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on increase contrast, and that will get added to your control center. If you want to remove the widget while you are in an edit mode, just tap on the remove button and that will allow you to remove the widget. Here I can drag on the handle to enlarge the widget, or I can make it smaller. And that's it. Now I can tap on the shortcut to turn on or turn off these features. So I can turn on or turn off contrast using the shortcut in my control center. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.